Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the Tesla Model S back seat. This guide will help you safely access components or increase cargo space. We will cover the steps for both the lower cushion and the seat backs. Remember to work carefully to avoid damaging any parts or the vehicle's interior. Let's get started with preparing your car and gathering the right tools for the job. First, let's tackle the lower seat cushion. You'll find two main clips holding it in place, typically located about a hand's width in from each side. Gently but firmly pull upwards on the front edge of the seat near these clips. Once released, carefully lift the cushion and disconnect any electrical connectors, especially if your Model S has heated rear seats. This step is usually quite straightforward. Next, we move to the seat backs. Begin by folding them down to expose the mounting bolts. You will typically find 5 bolts securing the seat back frame to the vehicle. Use an 11mm socket with an extension to remove these. Be sure to disconnect any electrical harnesses, such as those for the center seat belt or heated seats, before carefully lifting the seat back assembly out of the car. Assistance is recommended for this part. Reinstallation is essentially the reverse of removal. First, carefully position the seat back assembly and reconnect all electrical harnesses. Install the 5 bolts, tightening them to 37 Newton meters, or about 27.3 pound-feet in the recommended sequence. Finally, align the lower seat cushion and press down firmly until the clips securely engage. Always double-check all connections and ensure everything is properly seated.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.